Good morning, everyone. All right. So before I jump in here, I just want to remind everybody this is not financial advice. I'll never tell you when to buy, sell, short, long, invest, divest. This is purely my own opinion, and I hope that you do enjoy it and get something out of it. But please always do your own research. And if you could like and subscribe and share my videos and also watch them to the end and post a comment if possible, I would greatly appreciate it. It does help the logarithm so that I can grow my channel. We're only a few weeks old now, but we are gaining some traction, and mostly it's because we have really done a great job of going over the price action here for Bitcoin. Okay, with that said, let's talk about it. So, Bitcoin, well, right now recording this, we're at 46,276. This is on FTX's chart. We just shot up here and actually created two single prints. I'll talk about that here in a second. But more importantly is we descended down yesterday. And I had talked about this. I had said that there was a big single print down here in this area between about 45,850 and 45,150. We did come down here and fill part of it. Structurally, though, we have not filled that area in, and we did bounce here around the 44,200 level, and there's a little bit of resistance in this area, which makes sense, and we had some structural profile defects that we needed to come back up and fill in. So we've done that in terms of starting to fill the single print area and now starting to climb back up, excuse me. I do expect us to go up around the 47,200 area and maybe come back down here again and start to fill this area in or try to go up one more time. So that's going to be something to watch. I would really be watching the 47,200 area right now. That's a big line in the sand for me at this point. But however, I do expect us to spend a little bit of time filling this area in here. Don't have to, could head up and then come back down the exact same way that we just did. Remember, the market likes to fill deficiencies in profiles that are created with buying and selling of whatever asset it is. However, at this point in time, it always has a tendency to want to move up to correct it as opposed to go down first. So that's exactly what we're doing right now. We bounced up, and I'm going to head over to the 4-hour chart and show you what I see. All right, here we are. So here we are on the Bybit 4-hour chart, very close to the FTX chart. I like to use different charts to kind of just look for Confluence and see if there's any changes between the charts. I do like to use the perpetual contract chart just because there is a lot of liquidity in them, and it gives a little bit better understanding of what's going on with the market. So that's where I'm at. All right, so we came all the way down here to exactly like I said, 44,200. You'll notice we do have a big volume deficiency here in this area. So I'm not surprised that we came down. We bounced on this high volume node here, which was a little bit of resistance. You see resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. And that created this large volume node that we have here. So we bounced and we came back up now past the 12 and 21 EMAs. And the question is now, will we come back down here and fill in this structural area that we just showed you on the profile charts, or will we head back up to the 47,200 area and then decide where that line in the sand is? You'll notice right at that 47,200, 47,300, we have another high volume node. So we could very easily pop up. This is the weekend coming on, so it's always exciting to see what could happen next. But it looks like there's a chance that we might fill this area in here or continue up. You can see we had filled quite a bit of this area in here, quite a bit of this area in here, but this is still pretty deficient. So 47,200, 47,300, and 44,200 are the areas, the range that I'm currently watching. In the short term, I wouldn't be surprised to fill in this area here and look for some either upward movement for the weekend or some downward movement for the weekend. And I will post a video probably tomorrow morning or later today to kind of give you what I consider to be the next possible move. All right, so 5-minute chart. You can see we're on a steady climb up. We're at the very top of the Keltner channel right now. So the question is, where do we go next? Let's look at the 15-minute. Just hit the bottom of the Keltner channel on the 15-minute. 30-minute, we got a little bit of room to go in. Where is that at? Right at about 47,000, right at about 46.8 to 47. And here we go. It's trying to go up right now. So we'll continue to watch it here. Let's see where we're at with the 1 hour. 1 hour is all the way up at 47.8. So, like I said, 47.2, 47.3 is kind of that line in the sand. We'll kind of see if we continue up and push up. We're going to watch those areas. And you can see we were on a pretty steady downtrend here for the 1 hour, and we have broken out, or we're attempting to break out of that regression down channel. So we'll keep our eyes on that. Stay posted for another video from me. Focus on that range that I talked about right here for right now. You can see that we're actually starting to curve up here at the blue, so we might be trying to head up before heading down. Okay. I hope everyone has a great day. Please, if you have any questions, post a comment and ask anything that you'd like, and I will do my best to answer it. Have a wonderful day.